Which car you want?
Oh shit.
This one?
Which one's crazier?
Definitely the first delivered Countach. Yeah, this is really...
The periscope is so small.
Yeah, it's really... They changed a little bit of the...
Oh, it's a Strosek
Yeah,
nose.
that's a Strosek.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the first customer Countach. So today I'm in Bonn at Auto Kremer, which I believe this place was the original and oldest Lamborghini dealer in Germany. Is that right?
Yeah, I would say so.
Alex.
I was definitely the onlyest left one, I would say, in Germany.
That's super cool. So why are we here?
We are here only for fun, I would say, but especially to show you which kind of nice cars are standing here and which kind of nice guys they are. And
Definitely.
Yeah.
I like it.
Maybe to see if you bought the right car from me.
That's true.
Maybe they could
so
tell
far
you
it's
the best.
fine, I think. Oh, I just destroyed my super cool spy glasses now. And I got Marvin here. What's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you here in Germany.
Yes. Oh, I'm very happy to be here. So we had an awesome drive over here. Quite fast, I think.
Yes, of course, quite fast. In Germany you can drive fast as you can.
So your family, this is your family's business from the beginning, yeah?
Of course.
And we've got Jason here.
Jason
Come be in the video.
I'm coming.
We have Jason here.
Hi, what's up?
Thank you for having me.
Hi.
I love it. It's also nice because like you guys are the service place for Lamborghini in Germany. And so I appreciate, there was a couple small things I had questions on, but that was perfect. And you were very nice and gave me an original keychain from the Murcielago.
Yeah, I kept it for you.
So-
You know, the first series, Murcielago, they have the first rim is a special rim, in my opinion.
I like it.
Yeah, it's really looking special.
It's like the new Countach, new Diablo.
Yeah, they have the old style, like
Yeah.
from the telephone. You know, it's
Yeah, exactly.
and
And
yeah.
better than the Porsche phone dials. Of course.
Of course. No question.
So cool. So okay, so your family, who in your family started this business originally?
So my grandfather started all the works on
Yes.
the cars. First with Alfa Citroen, and in the late 70s he got to a little contact to Lamborghini
I see.
through my grandmother.
Really?
Yeah, there was a wife working in the factory.
Mm-hmm.
Her name is Ingrid.
Okay.
She's there today still.
Really?
Yeah, and they had contact, and through this, after some time, yeah, it developed a little friendship, and then we got the first cars
Very cool.
coming, and then after some cars, we made the contract.
Yes.
Yeah, and then long time we sold very much cars,
Yes.
and then when Audi took over the business, it changed a little bit, and yeah, but we are still in it.
I see.
We are still in it, and very happy with the
Of
Lamborghini.
course.
Yeah.
Well, how about we go look at some cars? Can we do that?
Of course.
What cars are most special that we're going to see now?
Definitely the first delivered Countach.
That's the yellow one, yeah?
Yeah, the yellow.
Is that the second one ever built, the first one for customer?
You know, you have the prototype. I think this year there was a hype with the Countach.
Yes.
Also, all years already, but
Yeah.
there was this prototype was rebuilt, and they showed it this year. And then they have a green car which is standing in the factory.
I remember
think.
this, yeah.
Yeah, this is the number 001.
Yeah.
And this car is the number 002. So the first car which was delivered to a customer.
That's fantastic. Here, you go this way so you can see, and we'll come around this
Yes.
way. So this is the first customer Countach.
Yes, exactly.
That's incredible. Well, mine was in 1982 as the first 5-liter, but it's amazing to see this. Which year? 72?
Yeah,
Okay. Awesome.
exactly. And
Yeah?
you have some small details
Yes?
which are different.
Okay.
Like
Then later ones
the
here.
seats are different to the
I do see that.
to
The design is different.
Yeah, to
They're
the
flatter.
series. Yeah, here also here it's a little bit different. Then they have more vents here
Oh, yes.
than the series car.
And yes?
And
Yes?
and we also have the Bertone sign here
instead of there.
here. But it's original like that.
Yeah.
So it's small details, but yes, if you have an eye for it and you know something about the history,
Do you know?
it's something very special. Yeah.
Oh, of course it is. My God. I just realized I've never actually looked through a periscope car.
No?
I've never seen through.
It's different to the other cars, definitely.
May I sit in it and look through it?
Yes, you can.
Oh, I gotta do this. Okay. I have to be very nice. Oh, the old radio.
Yeah, it's an old radio.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah, this is really.
The periscope is so small.
Yeah, it's really tight inside. the next generation, you start to get a little more comfortable in the car.
Yeah,
but
that's
this
true.
one is really the rare Countach.
Very much so.
The UFO, let's
The
say.
early
like
SW gauges, the larger
Yes.
steering wheel.
Yes.
Yeah.
yeah, and you have the tires a little bit different with the.
Oh yes, the very narrow ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, in set. This is a great honor.
Yeah, it's still in a very good shape, the car.
Oh, absolutely. So that's why I should get away from it. Okay, what else have we here? So
Yeah,
is this a car that's for sale? Is this your car? What's
No, it's not for sale.
Okay.
It's a car of a very good friend of us.
I see.
Since very long years. Yeah, and we keep it here in
Okay.
a good condition, and yeah, we take care of it. Let's
Of course,
say it like this.
of course.
It becomes all our love.
Yeah, I don't blame you. It's a perfect car. What else have we? What's the story here?
Yeah, we have. Normally, we are just more into the historic cars. So,
Yes.
Diablo, Countach, Murcielago. We also do the newer cars like Huracan, Aventador. But
Yes.
yeah, the Murcielago and Diablo and all cars before is our love.
Yeah,
Let's say
indeed,
it
of
like
course.
this. It's just different to the cars after that. Huh?
When they still had steel tube frame, and more steel tube frame.
Yes.
For the chassis and more manual transmissions and such.
So we have also Porsche, but
Yeah.
we have Oraco. It's a P200, so it's also a rare car.
Oh, an early one.
Yes.
Very cool.
And
And I
it's just with the 2-liter engine, with the 2-liter V8 engine.
Really?
Yes, it just has 2
I didn't
liter.
realize that. Huh.
Yeah, there was a there was a time they built it. It's just with a 2-liter V8, and
Very interesting.
it's like a. It's really not fast, but
Yeah.
the style is nice.
beautiful.
You need a 3.5-liter engine normally inside.
Well, you have this, and also you're restoring a silhouette in
Yes.
blue, which is perfect. It's a beautiful restoration.
Yes, yes.
And there's also a Yalpa in there
Yeah.
as well, which I kind of like Yalpa. They're weird.
Yeah,
and
you,
cool.
You have all 3 V8 models here.
Yes.
Oraco, Silhouette, and Yalpa.
They all evolved from this, yes?
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
And then the Countach over there, what's its story?
That's a Countach S. So
Oh.
also very early Countach.
Is that what they call low body, or no? Yeah?
Yeah, you can say it like that. Yeah, and it's the car's with us since a very long time, and
Yes.
once a year we drive it.
Yeah. It's
And
beautiful.
now I put on the lights because it's a little bit different to the normal style. Normally it's always down, but I thought,
really?
let's make a different.
Oh, I
style
see.
now.
Yeah. It's a better display. Sometimes.
Yes.
Of course, you got the Murcielago. And then what's the story with this crazy Diablo?
Yeah, there was a time Strosek, they changed a little bit of the.
Oh, it's a Strosek
Yeah,
now.
that's a Strosek Diablo.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, the history is, I think, after some time, the owner wanted to have something new.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, but today the car is classic like this.
Yeah.
There was a time nobody liked it, but now it starts to get.
It's old
classic.
enough that it's interesting.
Yeah.
Yes,
exactly.
I see.
Exactly.
Which is your favorite cars here? All of them? Do you have a particular Lamborghini
So
you love
of
most?
course the Countach, but
And you?
here
Yes, of course. Also the
also-
LP400 because it's pure passion. It's Lamborghini.
It's more perfect Marcello Gandini design. Yeah? Perfect.
But to be honest, from the look here, the VT, the silver one, is also one of my favorites.
That's a good point. Underrated, yeah. Do you know I've never ridden in or driven an open top Diablo?
Okay, never?
Never with the roof off. That's super cool.
Yeah, that's something new, huh? But
Wait, what? The cameraman is pointing.
Maybe there is a chance.
Can we
Maybe-
change
yeah.
that perhaps?
can we change that? Yes, maybe yes.
I think that would be cool. That'd be very cool. Well, good. Okay, so we should go have some fun, but this is a
Yes,
fantastic
exactly.
place. So we're in Bonn, yes?
In Bonn, yes.
Yeah? And how do people find you if they're interested?
Via Instagram, of
Yeah,
course.
naturally.
And yeah, we also have an internet page.
Of course.
You can find us there.
Auto
And
Kremer.
we are open, and everybody who's coming who has a heart for the cars
Yes.
is welcome, of course.
I love it. This is a very good place.
Yes.
Thank you for your time. So, should we go play a little? Yeah?
course.
Okay,
Yeah, we
all
can
right,
do
all
it.
right. What should I do? What should I do? Anything?
Which car you want? Oh shit! This one.
Which one's crazier? Which one do you
We
want?
take this one
Do you want
because
to take that one?
yeah, because the exhaust sound is just
Perfect.
the sound is just amazing.
Okay, it's crazy. All right,
Yeah.
let's go.
Let's go. Okay.